If you want to start the workout with your Redmi Watch 6, if you want to make sure that Redmi is going to track your workout stats, then what you can do is you can open the apps list, and then over here among all of these apps you should be able to find the workout option. So let's go ahead and open the app. Then we can choose what type of workout you are going to perform. So for example, I'm gonna choose the treadmill. There we go. We can press the crown to pause the workout at any point. We can also press and hold the crown to finish the workout, and also we can press the power button to open the control center in case you want to do that. And also we have the information that we can press and hold the workout list to edit. There we go. We also have the information how you should wear your watch, and then we should be able to start at any point by just tapping on the go button, and then the watch should start tracking your workout. Simple as that. And there we go. We can also swipe from left to right side in order to pause or end the workout. You can also record it, and there we go. And besides that, it is also recommended to check out settings. Let's actually press and hold here, and let's end. There we go. We should also be able to go to workout settings at the bottom, and here we have the automatic detection, which we can enable in case you need it. And also you can press the add button in order to add even more different workout options. So be sure to check them out. You can also edit this list. So if you press and hold your finger on this workout list, then you should be able to decide which options should be available over here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.